In this video, I'll be showing you two Chrome extensions you can use to turn YouTube videos to text. With these extensions, you can transcribe YouTube videos to text, and you can use the text for whatever you want to use it for. Now, the first Chrome extension is Scribe. This Scribe extension not only allows you to turn YouTube videos to text, it also allows you to transcribe YouTube videos with punctuations. Now, there are so many extensions out there that they can just transcribe the YouTube video to text, turn it into text, but you have to read through to format it and add the necessary punctuations. But this YouTube transcriber punctuates everything. It transcribes your YouTube video to text and punctuates it and formats it exactly, so you don't have to do the work of formatting the text again, but you can now go extra mile by paraphrasing the text. All right, so if you don't want to use the extension, you can simply go to their website, appblitz.com/scribe, and then you copy the YouTube address, paste it here, and then click on search. Then it's going to turn the YouTube video into text, and it's going to punctuate it for you. All you need to do is to copy it and edit it and make use of it as you wish. Another one is YouTube Video Summarizer with ChatGPT and Claudio. This tool is awesome. You can use it to turn YouTube videos to text. Now, this tool does not punctuate, but with this tool you can easily have quick access to ChatGPT, and you can ask ChatGPT to rewrite it and punctuate it for you. So these are the two best video transcribers and YouTube summarizers that I can recommend for you. So I hope you found value in this video. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and drop a comment.